What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to be reviewing the MZK A3 Plus XP600 Gen2 F1080 upgraded DTF printer, and I have to say, this thing is a beast. From its incredible printing speed to its advanced ink management system, this printer is packed with features that are going to take your printing game to the next level. One of the most exciting features of the MZK A3 Plus XP600 Gen2 F1080 is the 2 years of free ink and powder that come with it. Yes, you heard that right. For 2 whole years, you'll be getting 5 bottles of 250 milliliters ink and 500 G of powder every 2 months, which is a saving of over $1,000 on supplies. This is a huge benefit for anyone who prints regularly, whether you're a business owner or just a hobbyist. Imagine being able to create all the prints you want without having to worry about the cost of ink and powder. It's a game changer. Another feature that really stands out on this printer is the intelligent auto-cleaning system. This built-in self-cleaning technology allows you to set automatic cleaning timers, which keeps the printhead in perfect condition and prevents clogging. This means you can print with confidence, knowing that your printer is always going to be working at its best. The auto-cleaning system is also really easy to use. You can set it to clean the printhead at regular intervals, so you don't have to worry about it. This feature is especially useful for anyone who prints frequently, as it helps to prevent clogs and ensure that your prints always come out looking their best. The MZK A3 Plus XP600 Gen2 F1080 also features a high-performance motherboard and a multi-function control panel with a 5-inch rotatable touchscreen. This makes it really easy to use the printer, as you can check nozzles, clean printheads, and adjust layouts directly from the LCD panel. The one-touch ink filling system is also a great feature, as it eliminates the mess and hassle of filling the ink tanks. The advanced dual alarm system is another useful feature, as it alerts you when the ink is running low or when the waste ink tank is full. This helps to prevent accidents and ensures that your printer is always running smoothly. In terms of printing speed and quality, the MZK A3 Plus XP600 Gen2 F1080 is incredibly impressive. It can print one A3 sheet in approximately 3 minutes, and the daily output is up to 180 sheets. This makes it ideal for anyone who needs to print large quantities of documents or images. The printer also features variable size droplet technology, which allows for precise droplet control and smoother gradients. The result is prints that are of extremely high quality, with vibrant colors and fine details. Finally, the MZK A3 Plus XP600 Gen2 F1080 features an innovative anti-blocking technology, which is designed to prevent clogging and ensure smooth nozzle performance. This technology uses a combination of continuous ink circulation, automatic mixing, and an ink particle filtration system to keep the nozzles clear and prevent clogs. This means that you can print with confidence, knowing that your printer is always going to be working at its best. In conclusion, the MZK A3 Plus XP600 Gen2 F1080 upgraded DTF printer is an incredible machine that is packed with features that are going to take your printing to the next level. From the 2 years of free ink and powder to the intelligent auto-cleaning system and high-speed printing, this printer has everything you need to create high-quality prints with ease. So, if you're in the market for a new printer, I highly recommend checking out the MZK A3 Plus XP600 Gen2 F1080. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on this amazing printer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates.